Hello. For CSE 340 Assignment 2, I'm demonstrating Task 2, Destroying and Rebuilding a Postgres Database on Render.com. This assignment has two main deliveries: SQL files with CRUD operations in Task 1, and this video showing database restoration in Task 2. So Render.com removes free tier databases after 30 days. This process is critical for maintaining our application. Here you can see my database CSE database up, that has been updated. So I will scroll down and attempt to delete. Here you can see the delete database. I will click on this prompt to type this, copy and paste, then delete the database. So once we have deleted the database, we go to new service, Postgres, get a new unique name 340, call it that. Scroll down, click on free, deploy our database. While it's creating the database, we go to our SQL file, add connection, click on Postgres, give it a connection name, let's say render.com, connecting using, we choose the connection strings, the SSL, we enable it, then the others we just have to remain the same. Now let's go check if our database has been created. We now go back to our database, it's now available. I will copy this external database URL, go to my SQL, my VS Code actually, and paste it in this connection string. Let's test our connection. Testing the connection, successfully connected. Now save this connection and connect. So let's watch as it connects. Okay, now our server is already connected to Render. So we have VS Code merged with our database from Render. Now this is our schema SQL file. I will highlight all and run the selected query. So everything has been run. I'll also highlight all and run the selected query. So we also have everything run. So now first task, let's try to see our modified table. We verify that all tables exist. Now you can see here, right click, run selected query. All my table is the account, classification, and inventory. Now let's look at the HOMA distribution check. The distribution has been updated too. If I move to the right, you can see the huge exterior has replaced the small interior. Now we can also go to our task 2, verify the number of vehicles, run selected query. You can see the number of vehicles now is what? 2. So you can also check the image paths. If we have modified and selected the image path correctly, we run the query and check all image paths are correctly checked. You can also check in assignment 2 if Tony Stark was deleted. Checking here, we run the selected query and Tony Stark all gone. So this completes the assignment 2 task 2, demonstrating full database restoration capability and successfully execution of all task 1 queries. Thank you for watching.